get it. Where'd it go?
It's on the floor. What is it?
It's a wasp.
I'm trying to kill him. Well, kill it so Sam can go home today.
I know. I'm trying
She can't get to it. It's on the floor. Did you get it?
Every time she gets down, it's like a dust cloud.
I don't know where it went. I don't know where it went.
Well, it's injured.
Well, it's injured.
Seriously. I don't hear it, but then I don't see it.
Just start moving the plants and it will come out. Wasps don't bite people, Teresa.
This one,
We'll get it right.
2/3 of the way through, it's really broken up badly. And it gets better at the end. But
Yeah.
Are you just hitting random spots
We
now?
have a cleaner thing, so we'll
Okay.
try to do that.
Step on it. It went in the tray of the flower.
Did you see it?
Yeah, it went in the tray of the flower.
We'll get it.
Very innocent.
It's supposed to be size.
Flush it.
Yeah, just pick up the plant.
Wait, no, I'm not picking up. I see.
You see it?
Yeah, I just can't get it. Like.
Is it coming? Did you get it?
I don't know.
How do you not know?
Actually, it's still alive. Barely.
Are you smushing it?
Well, this box water is not starting.
Well, step on it. Where is it?
Right here. It's gotta be.
I can't see it. Did you kill it? Is it dead?
It's still switching.
Then step on it.
Okay,
Teresa.
I got it. I just gave it